Clean it real good first. And flux it. Flux on there. If you don't flux your pipe, this won't work at all. Make sure that we put our cutoff valve in the right direction. You can see that there's a arrow here to tell you the direction. Now we know that the water is going into the tank, and we only put a cutoff on the cold side, so we're going to flip it around, put it right here, wipe out our access, and the arrow is going to the down position. And now we're going to solder this up. Some people, this is a difficult position to solder. It's because it's going vertical, but it's not as hard as you might think, because once again, like I said, the solder is going to follow the heat. So we're keeping the fire right up here on the fitting, so it'll suck the solder right up in there. You'll have a little solder that'll drip down, but we're going to take our gloves, or if you have a rag, we're going to take that and we're going to wipe it up into the fitting. We're not going to wipe it away, we're going to wipe it up into it. See how it sucks it right in there? Get a little bit of rough there. Just wipe it right up in there. Let's hit it again. I'm going to bump it a little. Okay. Okay, when you're running copper pipe, always look ahead to where you're going to run the pipe. Right here, we're going to go straight through here. The cold is going right through here, right alongside the ductwork of the furnace. The hot, we're going to have to